And a carrier. It's a big one too. Good gracious, this is a big one. The ductwork is screwed up. The return is the supply, and the supplies are for return. She's a buzzing. I think it's a heat pump. There's the carrier logo. There's the. Yeah. I don't know where the data sticker is. I'm trying to find it. Oh, this. I didn't even have one. Oh. So 9712. I think that's a 10 ton. Is this a heat pump? 50 TJ. Heat pump. I'll have to put in the description what tonnage it is. This carrier is weird. I think it's a 10 ton over end.